or you can apply 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil on your chest to open up your airways. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus trees are tall, evergreen trees that grow up to 50 feet in height and are sometimes referred to as gum trees. The main chemical components of Eucalyptus radiata are eucalyptol and alpha-terpenol, making an ideal oil to promote feelings of clear breathing and open airways, and for creating a soothing massage experience. Eucalyptus has purifying properties that can be beneficial for the skin and for cleansing surfaces and the air. Studies have shown that eucalyptus is effective in helping lessen tension, and eucalyptus can be found in mouth rinses to freshen breath and promote oral health. The top 2 common uses for doTERRA's eucalyptus oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of eucalyptus essential oil are that it clears the mind, revitalizes the skin, promotes vitality, and clear breathing. The directions for use are placing a few drops in your morning shower to promote vitality. I just like to take off the cap and kind of give it a few shucks on the shower wall, and there you go. You can also add 10 drops to a 2-ounce glass spray bottle and spray down your kitchen counters and bathroom surfaces, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil on your chest to open up your airways. And doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil is a great choice for that because it helps reduce the chance of irritation of the essential oil, it helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, and then also helps to cover larger surface area. And so this is a great carrier oil, and it's non-greasy and doesn't have any smell, and it's perfect for topical application. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.